Toolsets in Bluebeam Revu let you create, customize, and organize your essential markup tools for easy access and sharing across projects and teams. By building tailored toolsets and saving them to shareable profiles, or exporting the toolsets for sharing, you can make collaborative reviews more efficient and consistent and ensure that everyone has the right tools and workspace to mark shared documents up every time they join a studio session. Start in the Tool Chest panel, found on the left or right side of your workspace. This panel houses all your active toolsets. Click the Tool Chest drop-down and select Manage Toolsets to open the Management dialog. Here, you'll see your existing toolsets and options for creating new ones. Click the Add button to start a new set and name it according to your workflow needs. Maybe you want a set called QA/QC Review. Then, decide if you want this set visible in every profile you use by checking Show in All Profiles, which makes it available no matter which environment you're working in. Finally, choose where you'd like to save this toolset file for local or networked access. Now you're ready to fill your new set with markups. Place any markup on your drawing, for example, a text box, highlight, or cloud. Comments can be added to any non-measurement markup by simply double-clicking and typing in relevant information, making it easier to filter and sort later. Then right-click it and choose Add to Tool Chest. You'll see the markup instantly appear in your chosen toolset. You can also tailor each tool's properties for better usability. Change colors, line weights, fill styles, or preset text so your markups match project standards or preferences. Give custom names to measurement tools or specify default contents for callouts or stamps, making frequent tasks effortless. If you ever want to rearrange the order of tools within your set, just drag and drop markups where you want them in the list. Click the gear icon to the right of each toolset to toggle between Symbol View, where tools are represented with icons, and Detail View, where tools reveal more context like comments and labels. You can just as easily remove anything from your set by right-clicking a tool and selecting Delete. At the bottom of the Gear dialog, you'll find options to import or export punch keys in bulk. You can also create a new punch key by selecting Add New. In the punch key dialog, enter a subject, enter the punch key letter or letters, choose a shape and color, and assign it to a layer if needed. For even more detailed organization, you can enable Detail View. On any toolset, click the Settings icon and select Detail. This allows you to add comments and labels directly from the columns. To manage which columns appear in Detail View, click the Tool Chest menu dropdown and select Manage Tool Chest Columns. Finally, you can reassign hotkeys to any toolset. Click on the Settings gear and click Set Numbering. The hotkeys that were once assigned to My Tools will be reassigned to your desired toolset. You can share toolsets by sharing a profile with saved toolsets or by exporting the toolset and distributing it to collaborators.